Your biggest money problem may not be your salary. It may be the stories your brain tells before you spend, save, or invest. We root for Maya because she works hard. Yet every month, invisible mental shortcuts quietly pull her farther from the life she wants. First comes present bias. The brain grabs today's comfort and discounts tomorrow's freedom. A tiny treat feels real. Retirement feels imaginary. Then loss aversion takes over. Losing $100 hurts more than gaining 100 feels good, so fear starts making the decisions. Anchoring is next. One old price, one random opinion, one first number can trap your judgment long after reality changes. Confirmation bias makes it worse. Once we believe something about money, we search for proof and ignore everything that threatens the belief. And the herd effect? That is fear of missing out dressed up as confidence. If everyone runs, we assume they know something we don't. Now the stakes become visible. Not one bad purchase, but a pattern. Bias by bias, years of compounding are silently stolen. But financial psychology is not destiny. The same brain that creates traps can build systems strong enough to defeat them. The first defense is automation. Remove the daily argument, and you remove the bias that wins in moments of weakness. The second is friction. Make bad financial decisions harder and good decisions easier. Behavior often follows the path with fewer clicks. The third is reframing. Do not ask, "Can I afford this today?" Ask, "What future am I buying or delaying?" The fourth is evidence. Track the truth. Feelings say, "I'm bad with money." Data says, "Here is the exact habit to change." And then comes the real breakthrough. Wealth is rarely built by genius decisions. It is built by consistent decisions made before emotion arrives. Imagine two futures beginning tonight. One ruled by impulse, one protected by systems. The gap looks small now. In 10 years, it looks enormous. That is the truth of financial psychology. You do not beat every bias by willpower. You build a life where your better decisions happen automatically.